Extend your jeans lifespan with King Mountain's premium buttons. Let me show how I use them. Each set includes 2 large extension buttons, 2 small extension buttons, and 8 metal buttons, providing users with a total of 12 buttons for versatile use. This variety allows users to freely select buttons according to their needs, whether it's extending or shrinking garments. Such flexibility permits instant customization to match various styles or preferences. These buttons are very easy to use. Utilizing them is straightforward and tool-free. A quick disclaimer here, I received these buttons free to try.